Here's a video showing you how to factory reset your iPhone 6 or 6 Plus if you've lost or forgotten a passcode. So this will wipe it, so you'll lose photos, apps, etc., but you'll at least be able to get back into the device. Hopefully you'll have a backup and you'll be able to recover from there. If not, we're starting from scratch. So what you'll need is the iPhone with the lightning cable connected and the other side connected to your computer or laptop, and that computer needs to have iTunes. So from here what you need to do is hold down the home button and the power button at the same time, as you can see me doing now. Okay, the screen goes blank. Then we're looking for an Apple logo to pop up, and then the iTunes logo. So that's the first bit done. Now we turn our attention to iTunes. It says there's a problem with the iPhone that requires an update. Click Restore. Are you sure you want to restore? Click Restore and Update. At this point, if your iPhone didn't have the latest version of iOS, the operating system, it will download it, then extract and install. What I'll do is I'll add the iPhone here so you can see the process it goes along when reinstalling. Thanks for watching.